Good morning students, welcome to the second video of adverbs. In this video we will discuss about the remaining kinds of adverbs. So let's begin with sixth one. Sixth one is adverbs of reason. It tells the purpose or reason of an action. Means when any adverb denotes the reason, denotes the purpose of any action, why that action took place, then it is called adverb of reason. For example, he is poor, therefore he can't buy a car. So why he can't buy a car? Because he is poor. So here adverb of reason is therefore, because it is denoting, it is giving the reason. Next one, she spoke rudely, so the teacher scolded her. Why the teacher scolded her? Because she spoke rudely. So here adverb is so, because it is denoting the reason why the teacher scolded her. Next one, seventh one is adverbs of affirmation. Adverbs of affirmation confirm something, and eighth one is adverbs of negation. It negates something. So in simple language, understand, adverbs of affirmation means any positive sentence. Adverbs of negation means any negative sentence. Means if any sentence is written in positive manner, then it is affirmation. If any sentence is written in negative manner, then it is negation. For example, we will certainly win the match. This example shows positivity. That's why this example is of adverbs of affirmation. Here adverb is certainly. You will definitely get the prize. Again positive, so the adverb is definitely. It was truly an interesting journey. Again positive, here adverb is truly. Now let's move to the next one, negation. He will not come today. Here you can see the word not. So that means it is a negative sentence, and as it is a negative sentence, so it is example of adverbs of negation. And here adverb is today. You are not at all my friend. Again here not word is used, so this one is also adverb of negation. Here adverb is at all. Last one, no, I have not got my book. Again not word is present, so this one is also example of adverbs of negation, and here adverb is have. So whenever any sentence shows positivity, then it is adverbs of affirmation, and if the sentence shows negativity, then it is adverbs of negation. Ninth one is interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs, from the name only you can understand, which will ask question. For example, where did you find my bag? It is an interrogative sentence. Here adverb is where. How long will you take to complete this project? Again this is interrogative sentence. So here adverb is how long. Means if there will be any interrogative sentence, then that will contain interrogative adverbs. Last one is relative adverbs. These adverbs are used to join clauses, or simple language, relative adverbs denotes the relation between two clauses. For example, this is the place where I spent childhood. Here relative adverb is where. Why? Because it is joining the first clause, this is the place, with the second clause, I spent childhood. Or you can say it is denoting the relation between this is the place and I spent childhood. Next one, this is the old man who helped me. Now here a relative adverb is who. Why? Because it is showing the relation between the old man and the person who helped the speaker. Next one, this is the reason why she got success. Now here relative adverb is why, because it is denoting the relation between the reason and her getting success. So whenever any adverb denotes the relation between two clauses, whenever any adverb joins two clauses, then it is called relative adverb. So these were the 10 kinds of adverbs that we discussed. Now we'll do some warm-up exercise. Here fill in the blanks with the correct option. You have to choose the correct option. He could hard or hardly walk. So as we have to choose the correct one, so the answer will be hardly. Next, Mahima was bad or badly injured. Definitely badly. She has a cheerful or cheerfully face. So what kind of face? Cheerful face. It is a beautifully picture. What kind of picture? Beautiful picture. The cake smells delicious. What's the smell of cake? Delicious or deliciously? Definitely delicious. So, in all the examples, you saw that the words written in yellow are adverbs because they are defining the verb or adjective or another adverb. Some more are here. She picked up the puppy gently or gentle. So, how she picked up? What's the manner of picking up? Manner is gently. The balloon rose quickly in the sky. Quick or quickly? Quickly, because how the balloon rose? What's the manner of rose? So the manner is quickly. She worked hard to clear the exam. How she worked? Hard. You must drive carefully on this road. How you should drive? Carefully. The shopkeeper gave me a great offer on the oven. Now the shopkeeper gave me a great or greatly. What kind of offer? Great offer. So in all the 10 sentences you saw that all the words written in yellow are defining any verb, any adjective or any another adverb, and then hence they are called adverbs. So I hope you have understood what is the meaning of adverbs and how they are used and their different kinds. We'll meet in the next video with other part of this chapter. Thank you.